I'm going to show you how to replace the sling in a 3-piece and 2-piece travel pole spear. The travel pole spears have a threaded end cap. It's black, so it shows that it can be removed. You just grab a hold of that little sucker, turn the pole spear, and out it threads. If it's a little stiff, grab the pole spear with a pair of pliers or vice grips. Just make sure you put some cloth or something in there so that you don't mar the aluminum on the pole spear or on the sling. And it just slides out like that. Kind of a cool feature with this too is if you want to make your pole spear tighter or looser, you can pull the sling material, making this shorter, or you can stretch it longer, making it either more powerful or less powerful, depending upon your tailored need for how hard it is to load. And thread it back in with a little grease so that you can get it out for the next time. And that is how you change the rubber out on travel pole spears.